First question. Whittle Trophy is related to which sport? Answer: football. Other football related cups are Rovers Cup, Begum Hazrat Mahal Cup, B.C. Roy Trophy, Turan Trophy, Santosh Trophy, IFA Shield, Sir Asutosh Mukherjee Trophy. Next question. The book name called Akbarnama was written by whom? Answer: Abul Fasal. Next question. The book name called Unhappy India was written by whom? Answer: Lala Lajpati Rai. Next question. Dada Saheb Phalke Award is related to which field? Answer: film, from 1969. Next question. Who is called as Lok Nayak? Answer: Jayaprakash Narayan. Next question. The memorial name of Jawaharlal Nehru is called? Answer: Sandivan. Next question. The folk dance called Yakshagan is related to which state? Answer: Karnataka. Other dance related to Karnataka are Veeragasi, Huttari, Lambi, Karga, Sugi, Kunita. Next question. Santa Rao is an exponent of which classical dance form? Answer: Mohiniyattam. Next question. Ustad Sadiq Ali Khan is an exponent of which musical instrument? Answer: Rudra Veena. Next question. Chemical name of vitamin B5 is called? Answer: pantothenic acid. Next question. Bandipur National Park is located in which state? Answer: Mysore, Karnataka. Next question. Modi Masjid was built by whom? Answer: Aurangzeb. Next question. United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO headquarter is located in? Answer: Paris. Next question. Who is the first Chief Justice of India? Answer: Hiralal J. Kania. Next question. The disease called rabies is caused by which microorganism? Answer: it is a virus disease. Parasite name: rabies virus. Affected part: nervous system. Next question. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar International Airport is located in which state? Answer: Nagpur, Maharashtra. Next question. Black Revolution is related to? Answer: petroleum. Next question. Carnallite is an ore of which metal? Answer: potassium. Next question. Hindi Divas is celebrated in? Answer: 14 September. Next question. The instrument is used to measure temperature is called? Answer: thermometer.